For the US dollar's slide against the Swiss franc over, or is this just the calm before another storm? Let's dive into the charts and see what's driving the action for USDCHF. Right now, the prevailing feeling in the market for this pair is decidedly bearish. Looking at the bigger picture, the daily charts show a clear and powerful downtrend that has been in place for some time. This downward pressure seems to be fueled by a weakening US dollar, as market participants anticipate potential changes in monetary policy. The bears are very much in charge of the long-term trend. Now let's get into the key levels traders are watching. The entire battle is happening around the crucial 0.80 level. This is the main line in the sand. For those with a bearish outlook, this zone is a prime selling opportunity. They see the downtrend continuing and are looking for price to fail at resistance. Any move up towards 0.80 or slightly higher at 0.802 is being viewed as a chance to enter a short position. The immediate targets for sellers are the recent lows around 0.795. If that level breaks, the next stops could be 0.792, with some analysts even targeting a move down to 0.7. But it's not a one-sided story. A number of traders are starting to look for a bounce. They see the price trading in a discount area and are looking to buy. For the bulls, the plan is to enter a long position near the current lows with a stop loss just below 0.79. They believe the pair is due for a reversal, and if they can push the price back above the 0.80 mark, their first profit target is around 0.802. So, to summarize the key takeaways, we have a classic showdown. The bears are confident, riding a strong, established downtrend and selling on any sign of strength. The bulls are the contrarians here, attempting to buy at what they believe could be a significant low. The deciding factor will be the price action around the 0.80 handle. If the price stays below this level, the bears remain in complete control. However, a strong and sustained break above it could signal that a short-term bottom is in, giving the bulls the momentum they've been waiting for. The dominant trend is down, but the tension at these low levels makes USD-CHF a critical pair to watch right now.